Hey, good morning. Chuck here with Apple Drains. Today we're going to test your drainage knowledge. We are here at an AMC theater and water is pooling in front of this theater on these pavers. What would you do? So, according to what they've told me, is here at the ticket booth, this water floods back up and goes under that wall into the ticket area. So it looks pretty straightforward. Let me step back and you can see a little bit more. You can see I'm standing in the street. Here is a curb. You can see that water looks like it runs right back up to that ticket booth. Probably stands in those pavers. Pretty straightforward. Test your drainage knowledge. What would you do? Is penetrating under this wall and going into this ticket area. And I can't really see inside there, but it looks like a hardwood floor and it's probably buckling. And of course, the patrons out here, they're standing in water. And you can see a low spot over there. You can see that water looks like it runs right back up to that ticket booth. Probably stands in those pavers. Pretty straightforward. Test your drainage knowledge. What would you do? If you look at this grade, you can see it's actually uphill out to the street. Ever so slightly out to that curb. And that water just runs right back here to this area. Again, the question would remain, is there enough fall to send it out to the street? Or do we need to get a pump and lift it up? The other option would be to cut that street and send it over to the storm drain. You can see the storm drain over there. Send it over to that storm drain right there. So that's another option. Okay, so I grabbed a bucket of water and let's just see where it flows to. Just a little bit to see what happens here. And you can see that water, it pools up and pretty much just runs through the cracks. Let's put some more out here and see what, you can see it running back. See how it's running back? Slowly. Let's add a whole bunch more water here and see what it does. So it's flowing to the left over there. Some of it's trying to come out to the front. But the bulk of the water appears to set right here. And it's trying to get out to the street. And you can see as I step out here on the street, that water, it starts back in the back, but it just lays here. So I imagine when it rains hard, that water just runs all the way back up underneath the ticket office. Test your drainage knowledge. What would you do? So I just spoke to the manager, Nick, and he said, he confirmed what we just see. You can see that puddle of water right here. He said it gets about 2 inches deep when it rains. And yeah, that's quite low. So somewhere in here, we need to put a channel drain, all the way across, about the width of the ticket office, and a discharge where we cord the curb and let that water drain. Again, let me just show you. This is just a bucket of water and you can see it sit here. So as the guests come up, they don't see that water. It's hard to see. And when it's raining or whatever, they step up and they step directly into the water. They've got to solve that problem.